In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a page from a multi-page scan in Scanner Pro on iPhone. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove an unwanted page while keeping the rest of your document intact. Start by opening the Scanner Pro app on your iPhone. You'll land on your document list. Look for the multi-page scan you want to edit. Multi-page scans usually show a small page count or a stacked thumbnail so you can quickly spot them. Tap that document to open it. Once you're inside the scan, you'll want to switch to the view that shows all pages at a glance. Tap the four-square icon in the top right corner. This opens the page grid, where each page is displayed as a small thumbnail. It's the easiest place to review the entire document and make precise edits. Now find the page you want to delete. Tap that page to highlight it, then tap Select in the top right corner. This tells the app you're choosing a page to act on. If you change your mind, simply tap the thumbnail again to deselect it before moving on. You can focus on a single page or mark multiple pages one by one if you need to remove more than one. Just make sure you've tapped Select so the app knows you're in selection mode. With the correct page selected, look toward the bottom right corner of the screen and tap the trash icon or the delete option. Scanner Pro will prompt you to confirm so you don't accidentally lose content. When you're sure, confirm by tapping Delete Page. The app will remove that page immediately and keep the remaining pages in order. To finalize and save your changes, tap Done. This exits the selection view and returns you to the document. Tapping Done is important. It locks in the edit so the deleted page doesn't reappear later. A quick recap. Open Scanner Pro, choose your multi-page document, tap the four-square icon to see all pages, tap the page you want to remove, and then tap. Select, tap the trash icon or delete, confirm by tapping Delete Page, and tap Done to keep the changes. If your interface looks slightly different, it may be due to an app update, but the process remains the same. Open the grid, select the page, delete, confirm, and finish with Done. That's it. Quick, clean, and easy. Thanks for watching, and enjoy keeping your scans tidy and accurate with Scanner Pro.